Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a health video. I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on staying fit or losing weight during quarantine. So if you're interested, keep watching. The first way that you can stay healthy or lose weight or maintain your weight during quarantine is to plan your meals. So you want to write this down. I write my meals either in my planner or on a whiteboard, but you want to make sure that your meals are visible to you every single day. And it may seem tedious, but you can even check these, items off as you eat them. I don't even think it's really that tedious because we don't have anything else to do. So you're going to check those food items off as soon as you eat them, so you can just keep track of what you're eating. So planning your meals out or just writing them down is going to help you, because when you know what you are going to eat, I feel like your mind doesn't really deviate and go to like other foods. So if I know that for breakfast I'm having a smoothie, for lunch I'm having a sandwich, and for dinner I'm having some salmon, I look forward to those meals. So I'm not really trying to eat something that I'm not supposed to be eating. So the way that I like to plan my meals out is breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. So you still get to have your snacks, so you shouldn't be like binge eating or anything like that. You still get to have some snacks, and then you still get to eat 3 meals a day, but still try to make these medium or like small portions. Since you're eating 5 times a day, you don't really need to have like big plates of everything. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner can be like, a medium sized meal, and then you can have a small snack in between, and that should keep you on track. So yeah, plan your meals out and write them down. Number 2, you want to plan to work out every single day, and you want that workout to consist of cardio and strength training. So cardio workouts are just workouts that get your heart rate pumping. So you can go running, like I know I run every day and I use the Nike Run app, or you can jump rope. I just started recently jump roping once I found my jump rope. You can do jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, anything that is considered cardio. You can go walking. Since we really don't have much to do, you can walk some miles. Like, you can just do anything, honestly. Anything that gets your heart rate up. Strength training would just be workouts with weights, and if you don't have weights, you can use items at home. So I posted some workouts on Instagram where I was using my laptop as a weight. I was using my vacuum cleaner, my chair as a weight. You can use anything as a weight, but you want to make sure that you plan a workout and you want it to consist of cardio and strength workouts. And if you need some workouts, I have workouts on my personal training page at Glow with Ro Fitness, and then I also have some workouts on my personal page at XO_Ramon. Number 3, you want to replace 1 meal a day with a smoothie or a bowl of fruit. And so this smoothie can have any vegetables or any fruit that you want. I typically only use coconut water or regular water, but I know some people use almond milk for their smoothies. So to each his own. It's kind of whatever you want to do when it comes to the liquid that you're going to use, but try not to use a sugary juice or anything like that. Really just try to stick with coconut water, regular water, almond milk, coconut milk, something that's healthy. And like I said, you can't eat a bowl of fruit, and since you're replacing 1 meal with this fruit, you can make it like a fairly large bowl of fruit. So it doesn't have to be super skimpy. Like, don't just eat 1 apple and call that lunch. Like, you can have sliced apples, some oranges, some strawberries, and like you can kind of make a fruit salad. But again, number 3, you want to replace 1 meal a day with a smoothie or a bowl of fruit. Number 4, you want to drink water before or after your meal. So I say drink water before you eat because you're going to get full from the water. So you probably won't even eat that much. And when you don't eat that much, you're not taking in as many calories, and that's going to result in weight loss. And then I just say drink after you eat, so you can be super full. So like, maybe you won't eat as much the next time around, like the next meal that you have to eat. You may not eat as much because you had so much water. And increasing your water intake can help you lose weight because, like I said, the more water that you drink, then you won't be eating as much. So if you want to increase your water intake, that can also help you lose weight. But yeah, you want to drink water before and after each meal. And lastly, you want to only drink like sugary drinks or alcohol or anything like that on the weekend. So I'm not really a big fan of like pops soda, juice, or anything like that. But my problem is alcohol. Like, I'll just pour me some wine on a Monday night, and I'm like, we can't be doing that. So you want to only try to drink these things on the weekend, and that will really help regulate your weight, because you're not going to be drinking empty calories throughout the week. So during the week, just try to keep it at water and tea, or maybe like almond milk, like I said, smoothies. Just try to only drink healthy things, and then on the weekends you can kind of splurge and drink what you want to drink. But that was it for these 5 tips. I'm gonna go back over them so you guys can remember them. So if you need to write them down, go get a sheet of paper and a pen, and let's go. Number 1, you want to plan your meals out and write them down. Number 2, you want to plan to work out every day, and you want to have a cardio and a strength workout. Number 3, you want to replace at least 1 meal a day with a smoothie or a bowl of fruit. Number 4, you want to drink water before and after each meal. And number 5, you want to only drink alcohol or sugary drinks on the weekend. But that was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at XO_Romani, and follow my personal training business at Glow with Ro Fitness. And I'll also have my website below so you guys can purchase meal plans and workout plans and all of that good stuff. That is all, and I will see you guys in my next video.